We've got breaking news for you this morning from London about Prince Andrew and the criminal sex abuse investigation of his friend, Jeffrey Epstein. Elizabeth Palmer's at Buckingham Palace with the latest on this. Elizabeth, good morning.
Good morning. The Metropolitan Police here in London over the summer had a look at various evidence in this case, including evidence coming out of a U.S. civil court case, the one that Virginia Giuffre launched against Prince Andrew alleging sexual assault. Well, now the London police are saying they're dropping their investigation. From the very beginning, Prince Andrew has denied the allegations.
I have no recollection of ever meeting this lady. None whatsoever.
But Giuffre says this photo, which Andrew has suggested could have been faked, shows otherwise, and that she was forced to have sex with the prince when she was 17 years old. Gayle King spoke to Virginia Giuffre last year.
He needs to be held accountable. We need to show the world that the rich and the mighty can fall too.
This scandal has made Prince Andrew, the Queen's third child, a royal embarrassment. He's been withdrawn from official duties and disappeared from public view. He was even missing from the family photographs of his daughter, Princess Beatrice's wedding in 2020. Queen Elizabeth is now 95 and a widow. The royal family is working hard on a seamless handoff to the next monarch, Prince Charles, with a prominent role for his son, Prince William, and his photogenic young family. You can see in this British radio interview from August that London's police chief is treading carefully.
Is he above the law, the Duke of York?
No one is above the law.
In other words, she's saying dropping the investigation into Prince Andrew isn't giving the royals a free pass. Mark Stevens, a lawyer here in London who's followed this case very closely, told me that the Metropolitan Police concluded that to make a criminal case stand up here in Britain, they'd have to prove that Prince Andrew knew Giuffre was trafficked, and they just didn't think that the evidence was there. This doesn't mean, though, that Andrew's out of the woods. He has got to answer those charges in the civil lawsuit in the U.S. through his lawyers by the end of the month. Nate?
Elizabeth Palmer in London, thank you.